I'm going to show you a selection of meme coins here that might have huge 10 to 100x potential. Does that sound interesting to you guys? If so, hit that like button, let the world know about it, subscribe to the channel, because today we're exploring some meme coins that could potentially do well in the upcoming near future. Let's check it out. First of all, the sentiment in the market, because we needed good sentiment. We want to see some uptrends. Community, culture, all needs to be there. We have 64, which is pretty good. Bit of greed in the market, which will help spur some bull rounds. Bit of uptrend and impulse waves for some coins out there with a $19.4 billion meme coin market capitalization. So let's talk about the first one. It's got to be the most relevant right now in the scene for the meme coin space for me. It's the Sponge V2 ecosystem, which has just basically, finally as well, launched on Polygon. We can see they're offering massive APY here with 8,421% per annum on the Polygon chain. This is very, very nice to see. Sponge has now got a fresh chart here on Dex Tools, as we can see right here. A nice fresh chart with $29.17 million market cap and $200,000 liquidity. Now, what we usually see is lots of coins like Myro, Bonk, Pork, Pepe. They all started around 20 to 30 mil, and then they went onto some big tier 1 centralized exchanges, which is where they blew up from here. So that's how they achieved their $200+ million. And I do think that this Sponge meme coin, with the right marketing, the right momentum, could potentially go to a crazy level, maybe even $500 to $1 billion. Of course, I can't get this right all the time. Neither can you. We can't buy and sell at the right time perfectly. But this is one of the promising looking coins, and it has already had its time in May 2023 where it did a 50x in its V1 version. So now it says launching on bigger and better exchanges in the crypto space where we could see some insane runs. Big rewards here. And I think that's nice to see. An option on the Matic side of things, where it says you can actually convert Polygon Matic into your desired amount, and then start staking them, and then you're going to earn those rewards passively on the side. So V1 listed on some big exchanges already, which we could see, and it was a good thing. And the objective here is to hit that $100 million market capital all-time high and beyond. 13,000 holders, 10+ centralized exchanges, and also they've got a play to earn racing game, which is super cool as well. So this is one of my favorites. I've already dollar cost averaged into it. I've been buying this one in its V1 when it was already trading, and I think with the stage 3 hinting at the tier 1 centralized exchange listing, it does make you wonder, can it be the one and only Binance? When Binance? That's what we always have to ask ourselves. So with enough community, culture, hype and momentum for this coin, I think it will be a good recipe for hopefully a big pump. Now remember guys, nothing in this video is financial advice. Please always do your own research. But yeah, this is big stuff. So Sponge Polygon has been launched. This is very new, exciting and big. And that's why for me, Sponge is one of the hottest meme coins right now. Sponge V1 has been discontinued. If you're in the VIP group of my Patreon, you would have learned about this before it did a 50x as well. And if you do want to become a patron, this is like high crypto network and stuff. Make sure you check out the Patreon link down below. Next coin would be Bonk. And again, this is for experienced traders or people that have been in the meme coin space for a long time that understand that holding is sometimes key, but when coins do actually have their parabolic run like this has already, Bonk has actually made a 70% correction from the top. So we're in that kind of zone where you consider dollar cost averaging into. Bonk has had a huge run, and when you look at the overall impulse, the overall wave here from a technical point of view, Bonk did a massive 20,000% pump. You see, it's holding quite well, but it is teasing that it could actually have a further negative price action here. We could see some more negative price action for Bonk into another range, which will take us to 0.00000683. Why this is important? Because it's the macro 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and that's why I wanted to let you guys know about it. So Bonk is another one on my radar that I'm going to slowly dollar cost average into, and if you did buy in at the top instead of selling at a loss, this will help reduce your average buy-in price per Bonk coin. $635 million market cap, and I think this is one of those things you've got to kind of think about. It's already on Coinbase, it's already on Binance, so overall new liquidity and volume new exposure, big exposure is kind of suppressed right now. But when you look at coins like Sponge, which we just spoke about, Sponge right here, the one we were talking about, the link is down below, by the way, if you want to check it out, the link is there. You can see that Sponge is not on all those big exchanges, but it could be. So that's one thing to also speculate. This moves us into coin number 3, which is a meme combat. This is an ICO, a crypto pre-sale, high risk, high reward, guys. Remember, this is all like 2 to 100x stuff, so very, very high risk, high reward stuff. It says stake, play and get rewards. Meme Combat is an innovative new gaming platform designed for gaming enthusiasts. They have raised $8.2 million out of a $10 million hard cap target. So this one's really fun as well. It's got staking, 113% APY at the moment. But I really love the colors, the characters, the vibrancy. I think it's got a really, really good sort of marketing potential to really make a big community and get a big cultural hype for this particular meme coin right here. Get in on the action. Now, what's special about this particular meme coin is they have a doxed KYC team, the Meme Combat team, meet our team. You've got Matt Whiteman there, the project lead and founder, and it's not every day that you see a meme coin be as transparent as this one. So if you want to check out Meme Combat, the link is down below. Do check it out. Have a little look. I think it could do well when it gets listed. You can see tokenomically 50% for the pre-sale, 30% for staking and battle rewards, 10% on the DEX, 10% on community rewards as well. And here is the Twitter coming soon with the big old money bag sign there. It says battle your favorite meme tokens in the first season of Meme Combat. Epic daily battles. The 8 million mark has been smashed, so they are celebrating about this huge win there in the crypto space. And here's an example. Look, Meme Combat friendly, the matchups are as follows. So a bit of like play to earn. Here you can see how the battle would go down, and I really can't wait to see some gameplay for this. I've got a few months left until we do see some releases for some of these games, because of course with Sponge you've got the play to earn racer, Meme Combat you've got the battle system and platform as well. So really good. It's got a nice roadmap where we can see the platform launch in Q1 2024 will occur, and then season 1 you're going to get the immediate post launch. This brings us to another coin out there known as Cock-Inu. This is a super high risk reward project. It is sitting at a $64 million market cap, and you can see from a market point of view this is only on Bybit, KuCoin, Bitmart, and a few other big ones. It's not on Binance, Coinbase, but this coin here has corrected quite massively from its top. Had a market cap of $268 million, and now it's sitting at $65 million. So you could argue that it's sleeping, maybe it's in a lull. Overall supply 100% is circulating, which is a good thing, so you can't get a negative price shock if any more coins are released. But this one here, what makes it special is it's an Avalanche chain coin. It's on the Avalanche ecosystem, and you can see actually with the colors of the meme coin, the red and white, it does resemble that Avalanche kind of branding. But this is big, you know, they've already got some good sexes out there and a few big dexes, but Cock is a coin that could potentially start moving really, really big again by the time a bull run is back, when a meme run is back, when an altcoin market is back. This is one of those tokens I'd be looking at. So we move to the daily, you can see it's down huge, and the risk reward ratio here is so much more suitable than buying at the top over there, which a lot of people do when they follow the green candles and get lured in. So yeah, Cock-Inu, or Cock-Inu, whatever you want to call it, another one that could potentially be good out there in the crypto space. Not financial advice, high risk, high reward only, folks, remember that. And a few VIPs out there that want to, of course, access the Discord and enjoy the biggest launches, listings. We've got a new Solana based fair launch meme coin to announce so soon. Of course, the VIPs will hear about it first. So if you want that stuff, become a crypto legend. 6 slots available, link is down below, you know what to do. Now Bird Eye obviously has a bunch of interesting projects on it too. This is very risky stuff again, but you can find some gems here with tiny market caps. And one I was looking at recently, maybe not super tiny anymore, however, you know, down quite a lot on the macro, is Chunky. Chunky, the meme coin. I like to buy into projects that correct harshly and do still have an active team and community. So Chonky is one of these. Chonky, the fat cat. Chonky, the cat, is fat. As you can see, there's not really much more to the website. You got when popping up on the screen when you click it right there. So Chonky is another one that is super high risk, high reward, but of course you can do your own research on this particular coin here. Narrative wise, you can see community sentiment is still pretty good. Top 10 holders do have 20% of the overall token, and we can see it's got an FD market capital of $9 million right there with a max total supply of 500 billion tokens, which is not too tremendously high, so to speak. Chonky meme coin, chonky.com memes. Yeah, you can see they're still posting out pretty much every day. Every day they're posting, they're getting a large amount of retweets and likes and traction. So they're still trying to grow their ecosystem. The next coin is going to be Trump coin. This is actually pumping massively right now. $3 million liquidity, 99 out of 99 DEX tools score with $113 million market capital. So this is massive. This is parabolic right now. And the trend is your friend, as they say. Look at this huge pump. If we do get a correction for this coin, a good buyback opportunity could be around the so used to the big zeros, the $2.20 mark, if we do see a bit of a correction here for this Trump coin. But it's going wild right now. We can see it is up massively. So of course, scale your risk accordingly. Don't just ape into the project, of course. But, you know, for me, this one is looking quite good. Have they got a Twitter? It's always good to verify the audience, verify the legitimacy. 6,680 followers. You can see they are also trumping and pumping, if you want to call it that. They're posted pretty much every single day, trying to get more liquidity, volume, and buyers into the project. It says MAGA movement on the blockchain, launched on August 11, 2023, the only active cryptocurrency donating to US veterans and protecting children. So quite a big narrative and, you know, utility there. You know, they've got a good play behind the scenes. They're helping people. And right now, it has just hit a massive all-time high. So that's good to see. A recent rally of looking like 113%. So big stuff, guys. Let me know what you think about this coin as well. Do you think it's cool? 47 million supply, 82.25 ETH donated to US veterans, 52 ETH donated to child trafficked prevention organizations. And this is nice to see. We can also see the people behind it. So it is doxed, KYC'd in that sense. But this coin is flying right now, everyone. Absolutely flying. And that is a wrap. Some of the best coins to potentially be looking at today, maybe next week, this month. It's a new month. It's a new dawn. So become a patron, unlock those high net worth potential networking plays where people are making money from those early calls. Sponge is probably my favorite one here on the list. I think it's got a good upside potential here. 10 to 100x potential. Really hope to see it. And remember, guys, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, due diligence. The meme coin is a hot market, but it's not for the faint-hearted. And yeah, sign up to OmiXC if you want to also get some good trading bonuses upon trading with my link, and more trades equals more bonuses. And of course, there is no KYC here, so you can trade crypto the way you want to, right? Big bonuses are available, like I say. Make sure you do hit some trading targets if you want to get the biggest ones. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, you lovely people. Like the video, comment on the video, and hit that notification bell so you don't snooze. You snooze, you lose. Bye for now.